Hi everybody, my name is Emily and welcome to your beginner's morning flow. You don't need any props today, so just grab your mat and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before we get started. We're going to begin in a comfortable seated position, so you can be sitting cross-legged or on your knees or whatever is the best for you. Just rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Neck is nice and long. We're going to begin by taking 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Nice long breath out. Now taking a big inhale, we'll sweep the arms up high. Exhale, bring your hands down towards your heart. Do this 2 more times. Inhale it up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, reach it up. And exhale, bring your hands back down towards your heart. Shoulders draw back. Spine is nice and long. From here, bring your left hand to your right knee. Bring your right hand to the floor behind your tailbone. Inhale to lengthen the spine. And then exhale, gently twisting, looking over your right shoulder. Nice big inhale. Nice long exhale. Slowly bring your body back to center. And then bring your right hand to your left knee. Left hand behind the back. Inhale to get long. And then exhale, look over towards the left. Slowly bring your hands back to center and then walk your hands forward just as much as is comfortable for you. Stretching out through the hips, maybe you lower your head, stretching out the back of the neck. Walk your hands back, and then we're going to switch, bringing the other leg in front. Walking your hands forward once again. Awesome. Bring your hands back. Bring the hands behind the back. Draw the shoulders back and lift your heart up towards the ceiling. It's a nice gentle opening here through the heart. And then slowly coming back to neutral. We're going to come into a child's pose. You're going to come onto your hands and knees. Take your knees a little wider. Big toes touch and sink down, drawing your hips down towards your heels. Walk your arms forward. And then draw your forehead down towards the mat. If your forehead doesn't make it all the way to the mat, that's okay. Take a moment to connect back with your breath. We're going to press ourselves back up and then bring your knees a little closer together so they're about hip distance apart. Now walk your hands forward towards the top of your mat. Your hips are directly above your knees, and then begin to slowly melt your heart down towards the mat. So a bit more of an opening in the chest and shoulders here. Press both palms into the mat. And just take a moment here. Now we're going to start to slide our hands back towards our knees. Begin to reach up, extend the arms to the sides, reach the arms all the way up. Hands to heart center. Flowing right here, so slide the arms back to your melting heart. Inhale, slide the hands back towards the knees. Reach up. Exhale, heart center. Coming into one last time, bring your hands forward. Slide the hands back. Reach up high. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Bring your palms to your glutes, so your hands are going to point down. Draw the elbows back, shoulders back, and now gently melt the heart up. And then slowly release, sitting back down onto your knees here. Take a nice big breath in and a long breath out. Now we're going to come into our downward facing dog. So walking the hands forward, curling the toes, pressing up and back, so reaching the hips up towards the ceiling. Nice big bend in the knees here. So really finding length through your spine. Relaxing the head, so looking down towards your feet. Now slowly start to pedal out the heels, so drawing one heel down to the mat, and then the other. Try to move with your breath here, so maybe inhaling to lift the heel, exhaling to lower the opposite heel. And then looking towards your hands, we're going to walk up to the top of the mat, finding a forward fold here. So feet are hip width apart, so imagining your two fists could fit in between. And then slowly releasing your head and neck down towards the mat. So bending the knees a lot here to release through the spine. And then slowly walking your hands up towards your thighs. We're going to extend our spine. So imagine the crown of your head reaching towards just in front of you. Shoulders draw back, elbows draw back. And then on your next exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees a lot. Inhale to slowly rise up, reach the arms up high. And then exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale here. And exhale. We're going to bring the hands to the hips. Inhale the left knee forward. You can reach the leg forward if you like, or keep the knee bent. And then maybe reach the arms up towards the ceiling. On your exhale, slowly bring that left leg back. Bring it all the way back, finding a crescent lunge here. So nice big bend in that front leg. We're on the back toes. Maybe you can have a little bend in that back leg too, if that feels better. From here, interlace the fingers. Bring the hands behind your head and draw those elbows back. So once again, opening up through the chest and shoulders. And then inhale to release the arms back up towards the ceiling. And slowly exhale, reach the arms back down towards the mat. Inhale to step that left leg up. And release into your forward fold. We're going to inhale to our halfway lift, hands to thighs. And exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees, reach up high. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale. And exhale. We're going to bring our hands to our hips, standing on the left leg. Reach the right knee forward, or maybe extend that right leg. Extending the arms up towards the ceiling, getting nice and tall. And then exhale, slowly bringing that right leg back, finding your lunge on this side. So really lengthening through your spine. Connecting back with your breath. And then taking that interlace with your fingers once again, maybe taking the opposite grip when that feels a bit funny. Draw those elbows back, chest lifts forward. Inhale to reach the arms high. And exhale, slowly lower down. Step that foot to the top. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to our half lift. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees. Inhale, reach up high. And exhale, hands to heart center. Bring your arms by your sides. Just take a moment here. Releasing any tension in your shoulders. Relaxing your face, your jaw, your neck. Now we're going to bring our hands to our hips and step the left leg back. So we're going to turn towards the left. Feet are parallel to one another. And then we're going to bring our hands behind our back. So you can either hold opposite elbows here, or you can interlace your fingers at your lower back, whatever is more comfortable for you. So draw those shoulders back. Spine is nice and long. And then on your exhale, begin to hinge forward. You may keep your hands at your lower back or maybe bring them up towards the ceiling. Just working with whatever your body's giving you today. And then slowly lower the hands down. Maybe a little rock side to side, just releasing that neck. And then from here, bringing your left hand just underneath your nose to the floor. Inhale, reach that right arm up. Finding a little twist here. And then exhale, lower down, right hand comes down. Inhale the left arm up for a twist. Exhale to release. Walk your feet in towards one another. And then we're going to find a seated position. We're going to extend the legs out wide. So just whatever you're able to do here. It helps to bring your hands behind your back if you need some extra support. And then you can just stay right here. Maybe a little opening through the shoulders, draw your shoulders back. Or if you feel like you would like a bit more of a stretch, you can begin to walk your hands forward. So not pushing yourself, just finding that spot where your body wants to be, where it feels, it might not feel amazing, but you're feeling a stretch, but it's not too uncomfortable and too unbearable. Let's just take 2 more breaths. And slowly walking your hands back towards you. Draw your feet together, your legs together, and then give your legs a little hug here. Maybe releasing side to side, just a little gentle rock. And then we'll just finish in a seated position. Spine is nice and long, relaxing your hands on your knees. Taking 3 long breaths. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Namaste.